Welcome to the Great Groundhog. We continue our learning series about the topic target audience. Today we're going to check out another tool which can help us to get more information about our target audience. The tool is called VidIQ Keyword-Inspector, and its basic version is free. Why it is so useful and how we can use it to analyze our target audience are the topics of this video, so please stay tuned. Now we are at the VidIQ dashboard. I've put a link down below where to log in and how to download it. Today we're gonna check out the VidIQ Keyword-Inspector, which is a very useful tool, and we are interested in the keyword opportunities. As we are interested in the topic target audience, we type in target audience. And the VidIQ Keyword-Inspector gives us interesting information. There is the search volume, the competition, and the overall score. If the overall score is red, it's a difficult topic. If the overall score is green, it's rather an easy topic. For our keyword, the target audience, the search volume amounts to around 27,000, which is a good audience. And so we can see that there is an audience for our topic target audience. Then let's take a look at the competition. And it says very low. The competition score is around 20. The overall score accounts for 68, which means rather an easy topic. We've got a search volume and the competition is rather low, so it seems that the topic target audience is an interesting topic. Further on, we can take a look at related keywords. The first one is how to find your target audience. Let's click on it. And we can see the overall score is very similar. So it's an interesting topic. Search volume is around 5,000 per month. And the competition is even lower. Summing up, we can say that the VidIQ Keyword-Inspector is very useful to find our target audience. First, we can analyze how many people are searching for a special keyword each month. This helps us to understand the size of our expected audience. Second, it is possible, with the help of the VidIQ Keyword-Inspector, to find out whether or not there is a lot of competition around this topic. Third, the overall score helps us to decide if it makes sense to make a video about our preferred topic. Thanks a lot for watching the Great Groundhog. See you in the next video.